Hey folks, Brett Moore here from Traffic Services. Just on scene of a hit-and-run collision involving a man and a woman in their 30s and 40s that happened just after 5 o'clock this morning. We're learning a lot of information from the help and really cooperation of a lot of local residents and businesses, giving us access to their video recordings in the neighborhood here. So just after 5, as I said, we had a man and a woman in a laneway. You'll see the blue tent there, and that's sort of the area that we're focused on. They were there, and there was a vehicle we believe to be at this point, early investigations say a Jeep Wrangler was traveling south on Tecumseh and into the laneway, striking both people. If you saw or have any information, we're going to be doing a canvass and be in this particular community for the next little while. Please get in touch with either Crime Stoppers or us directly at Traffic Services. Thanks very much, and we'll update as we get more information. Thanks a lot.